Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title, this is the first video of the Foxbody build. You've seen my other event coverage videos on the channel. Please go check them out if you haven't. Go like, subscribe. I'm sorry my narration isn't that good. This is my first time doing this style build vlog video, so bear with me. And in the future, I'll just get better at it, I guess. Now let's get into the content. You're gonna see the Fox without the front end because I filmed that video right before it was going to the fab shop to get the engine bay done, the scar rod panels installed, some rust repair. So let's get into it. All right guys, this is my 92 Mustang LX, original 5.0 car. It is stripped and ready to go to the fab shop, get some work done, shave the bay, take care of a little bit of rust. Let's see how it comes back. Previous owner had installed some extended lugs. I was told they had 373 gears. They used to be using this as a drag car. See, it used to have a roll cage in it. The holes for it massacred the seat brace because a racing seat was installed. But overall, a good little project. Need to find a rust-free sunroof. That has been an ordeal. It will be getting an upgraded K member, 5-lug swap all around, and disc brakes also. AC was removed from the car, but it's gonna be going back on soon. Detroit speed coilovers have already been installed. After we get the car back, we're going to rebuild the rear end and coat the bottom of the car, and we'll go from there. Haven't decided yet what engine we're gonna go with. Probably a small block Ford of some sort, 302 or 351, not decided yet. Maybe a supercharger, who knows. But there's a lot to do still here. All right, so car is back from the fab shop. Got some little bit of rust repair done. The mini tubs are installed. Plugged up all the holes for the roll cage it used to have. Pulled the dash out. Scar rod panels in, new core support because the one I had was a little bent out of shape. Shaved all the holes up there on the sides. Almost getting there, getting ready to paint. K member is going to be swapped out for something else. You'll see soon. Cowl hood, keep it or lose it. Have another one here. Got a stock one ready to go. Now getting ready to clean this up good, and we're gonna coat the floor with Pour 15 and a top coat. Make this look brand spanking new again. Alright, so before the coating, I seam sealed just like from the factory. So in the next video, you're gonna see the floor coated, and that's when we're gonna start putting the interior back together. Stay tuned for the next one.